Hey guys, Dennis from DK Performance here. We've got a Cup Cadet right here, model number LTX 1050. It is a 22 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Issue started having was a backfire, especially when it's under the load. So mowing full power or leaf gathering, it would just backfire. It looked like just one cylinder wasn't having issues and stuff like that. So, what it was, if you take this plastic apart, and what I have found is that mice nests, and it nests right under the cowling, right on the motor, when it's nice and warm, especially after you mow it. I keep this under overhang, so um, anyways, issue was having, like I said, backfiring, and what I found was this little nip right here on the wire from the coil to a spark plug was just, I mean, it's not broken through, it looks like it's just like melted insulation. um, but that was the issue with this. So if anybody has an issue that it like backfires or can't run right, I highly recommend changing out your coils first of all, and your spark plugs. I bought this kit online. Comes with NGK and a coil pack, ignition coil right here. If you guys need it, I know it's made in China, or some people will say made in China. Um, that was only like 30 bucks. So instead of most people I've seen do it, they replaced inline filter, they'll change their fuel, put high octane fuel in there, they'll spend $70 on their fuel pump and do all that stuff, which all initially is the magnets or your coil just went bad. Um, and it's a simple fix. Instead of chasing the tail, just start with this, and you'll find that was the culprit. So thanks for watching, and I'll post a video when I'm installing these lights instead of those regular light bulbs right here. I'll install these lights inside my headlights. Thanks for watching. Good luck.